Okay, we got some Otis Gen2s. Wanna call it?
Ooh, red. And a blue arrow. Gen 2 indicator. Send it up. Tall elevator. It smells like dentist.
It does.
It's a minty smell. Alright, try 4.
Nice.
Oh, nice acceleration.
Press P3. I like how the speed seemed to decrease as the floor gaps increase. That's kind of funny.
It's kind of like the office building on Castro.
Let's switch on 4. Get a cab view. Pretty nice.
From the tier. Yeah, I like this cab.
Basic but modern.
Alright, I'm gonna send this guy down to P3.
We got a vanity button. Got a mirror. Hello.
It's kind of identical.
P3.
Push L.
Going up. Lobby.
Nice.